If you're trying to decide between the Canon EOS R6V and the Nikon ZR, here's the quick, honest breakdown after actually looking at what each one is built for. The Nikon ZR is basically a mini cinema rig. It's built with red tech, shoots 6K red code RAW, and gives you that Hollywood-style color and 32-bit float audio that just won't clip. Add in dual base ISO and that super bright 4-inch screen, and it's clearly aimed at serious film work. The Canon EOS R6V, on the other hand, feels way more creator-focused. You get 7K open gate recording, so you can shoot once and crop for vertical and horizontal. Plus, Canon's IBIS is super strong for handheld shooting, and the dual tripod mounts scream TikTok Reels YouTube Shorts. So here's the simple truth. Go Nikon ZR if you're doing cinematic controlled productions. Go Canon R6V if you're a solo creator living in social media content all day. Different tools, different jobs.